What do dreams mean? Dreams are something everyone has. When you sleep at night, your brain creates stories, pictures, and feelings. Sometimes dreams are fun, like flying in the sky. Other times, they are scary, like running from a monster. But what do dreams really mean? Scientists, doctors, and thinkers have studied this for many years. We will look at what dreams are, why we have them, different ideas about their meanings, common types of dreams, and how to understand your own dreams. Let's start step by step. 1. What are dreams? Dreams happen during sleep. Sleep has different stages. The most important stage for dreams is called REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. In this stage, your eyes move quickly under your eyelids, your heart beats faster, and your brain is very active, almost like when you are awake. Not all dreams happen in REM. Some happen in other stages, but they are usually shorter and less exciting. Most people dream for about 2 hours each night, but you might not remember them all. Why? Because if you wake up slowly, the dream fades away. If something wakes you suddenly, like an alarm, you might remember it better. Dreams can feel real. You might see colors, hear sounds, and even smell things. But they are not real. They are made by your brain. Your brain uses memories, thoughts, and feelings from your day to create these stories. For example, if you watched a scary movie, you might dream about ghosts. Scientists say dreams started long ago in human history. Even animals dream. Dogs move their legs in sleep like they are running. Cats twitch their whiskers. So dreams are part of life for many creatures. Now let's think about why we forget dreams. Your brain has a part called the hippocampus. It helps make memories. During sleep, it is busy organizing information from the day. That's why dreams slip away unless you write them down right after waking up. 2. Why do we dream? No one knows exactly why we dream, but there are many ideas. Let's look at some theories. First, the activation synthesis theory. This comes from scientists like Alan Hobson. He says dreams are random. Your brain is active during REM sleep, and it tries to make sense of random signals. It's like your brain is cleaning up and testing connections. So dreams don't always have deep meanings. They are just your brain working. Second, problem-solving theory. Dreams help you solve problems. Have you ever gone to bed worried about something, and in the morning you have an idea? That's because your brain thinks creatively in dreams. It connects ideas in new ways. For example, a famous scientist named Dmitri Mendeleev dreamed about the periodic table of elements. It helped him invent it. Third, emotional processing. Dreams help you deal with feelings. If you had a bad day, like arguing with a friend, you might dream about it. This helps your brain practice emotions and feel better. A doctor named Rosalind Cartwright studies this. She says dreams are like therapy. They reduce stress. Fourth, memory consolidation. While you sleep, your brain strengthens memories. Dreams replay events from your day to help you remember them. Studies show that people who dream about a task do better at it later. There is also an old idea from evolution. Dreams might help us practice survival. In dreams, you run from danger or find food. This prepares you for real life without real risk. But not all theories agree. Some say dreams are meaningless, just brain noise. Others say they are very important for mental health. If you don't dream enough, you might feel tired or sad. 3. Famous theories about dream meanings. People have always tried to understand dreams. In ancient times, Egyptians thought dreams were messages from gods. Greeks, like Aristotle, said dreams show hidden wishes. Let's talk about Sigmund Freud. He was a famous psychologist from Austria. In 1900, he wrote a book called The Interpretation of Dreams. Freud said dreams are wishes your mind hides. During the day, you have thoughts you don't like anger or desires. At night, they come out in dreams, but disguised. For Freud, dreams have two parts: manifest content, what you remember, the story; latent content, the hidden meaning. For example, dreaming about flying might mean you want freedom or success. Dreaming about teeth falling out might mean worry about losing something important. Freud used symbols. A snake might mean fear of something sexual. A house might mean your body. But not everyone agrees with Freud today. Some say his ideas are too focused on sex and childhood. Next, Carl Jung. He was Freud's student but had different ideas. Jung was from Switzerland. He said dreams connect to the collective unconscious. This is like a big pool of ideas shared by all humans. Dreams use archetypes, universal symbols like heroes, shadows, or mothers. For Jung, dreams help you grow. They show parts of yourself you ignore. If you dream about a wise old man, it might mean you need advice from your inner self. Modern science mixes these ideas. Brain scans show that during dreams, the emotional parts of the brain are active. This supports emotional theories, but random activity supports activation synthesis. 4. Types of dreams. There are many kinds of dreams. Here are some common ones. Normal dreams, everyday stories like going to school or meeting friends. Lucid dreams, you know you are dreaming and can control it, like deciding to fly or change the scene. About 55% of people have had one. You can practice lucid dreaming by keeping a dream journal. Nightmares, scary dreams that wake you up. They happen more in children. Causes, stress, scary movies, or illness. Recurring dreams, the same dream again and again, like being chased. It might mean unsolved problems. Prophetic dreams, dreams that seem to predict the future, but usually it's coincidence or your brain guessing based on clues. Daydreams, not real dreams. They happen when awake, but similar as your mind wanders. Some dreams are vivid with colors, others are black and white. Blind people dream too, but with sounds and touches, not pictures. 5. Common dream symbols and meanings. People often ask what specific dreams mean. Remember, meanings can be personal. What a dream means for you might be different from me, but here are popular interpretations from books and experts. Falling often means feeling out of control, like in work or relationships, or fear of failure. Being chased, you are avoiding a problem. The chaser might represent fear or guilt. Flying, freedom, success, or escaping problems. If hard to fly, maybe obstacles in life. Teeth falling out, worry about appearance, health, or saying something wrong. Naked in public, feeling exposed or embarrassed, like hiding a secret. Exams or tests, anxiety about performance, common in students or workers. Death, not always bad, might mean end of something old and start of new, like a job change. Water, emotions. Calm water equals peace, stormy water equals strong feelings. Animals, depend on the animal. Dogs equals loyalty, snakes, danger or change. Houses, your mind. Different rooms equal different parts of life. To understand your dream, think about your life. What happened that day? How did the dream make you feel? Write it down. 6. Dreams in different cultures. Dreams mean different things around the world. In Native American cultures, dreams are spiritual. They use dream catchers to trap bad dreams. Good dreams guide life decisions. In Islam, dreams can be from God, self, or evil. True dreams predict events. In China, ancient books interpret dreams. Dreaming of dragons means power. In Africa, some tribes see dreams as visits from ancestors. Today, many people use dream dictionaries, but experts say personal context is key. 7. Science and dreams today. Modern tools study dreams. Sleep labs use machines to watch brain waves. People wake up during REM and tell their dreams. A study in 2020 found dreams help creativity. Artists and writers get ideas from dreams. Another study says lack of dreams links to depression. Therapy uses dream analysis. Technology. Apps track sleep and remind you to record dreams. Virtual reality creates lucid dreams. Future. Maybe we can share dreams or control them better. 8. How to remember and use dreams. Want to remember more? Try these tips. Sleep well, 7 to 9 hours. Wake slowly, no loud alarms. Keep a journal, write immediately. Think about dreams before sleep. Avoid alcohol, it reduces REM. Use dreams for good. If a dream scares you, talk about it. It helps process feelings. 9. Myths about dreams. Some wrong ideas. Myth: you die if you die in a dream. No, people dream of death and wake up. Myth: dreams are always in black and white. Most are in color. Myth: only crazy people analyze dreams. No, it's normal. 10. Dreams and health. Dreams show health. Nightmares might mean PTSD or anxiety. Sleep disorders like insomnia affect dreams. If dreams bother you, see a doctor. Therapy like CBT helps. Conclusion. Dreams are mysterious but important. They help process life, solve problems, and entertain. Meanings depend on theories. Freud for wishes, Jung for symbols, science for brainwork. Pay attention to your dreams. They teach about you. If problems, seek help. Sweet dreams.